Hello and welcome to those of you that have been following along for this journey of mine. I was this close to not posting this week because I felt like I didn't really have anything to say.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Update of what's kind of been happening. I didn't write a couple days this week, which I think is totally fine. That's something I wish I would have done more of in the classroom, just giving students the opportunity not to write some days. And I think I did it a little bit, but I was also sometimes feeling myself a little bit and pushing a little too hard, seeing that they weren't really into it or didn't want to write that day. So giving them another option of doing math or drawing or making a comic. And I think a lot of that also came from pressure of what like the standards were or what the expectations were in regards to the unit. So I didn't do that this week. I kind of decided that I was going to, sorry, I'm a little wobbly here. What I tried to do was kind of just sit back and reevaluate a few things in regards to the content that I'm sharing, and largely because of my wife, she kind of helped me think a little bit more about that and feel more comfortable about it. So next week, I will hopefully share more content that can help writers, teachers, and hopefully kids write and read better. So what it could look like is that there could be a video that allows you to just simply show your kid, and your kid could watch it and they can start to develop some sort of writing or reading life with me. And I think that would be something I'm interested in, and it also will allow me to not necessarily be back in the classroom, but also allow me to continue the thing that I love to do, which is teach. Okay. Other than that, I am continuing to write this middle grade novel. I don't know what chapter I was on last week, but I'm on chapter 6 now, and I just love this story so much. It's a story that I think I don't know what I'm writing, but I love the story. I'm super excited to eventually pitch it or share it with my agent, but yeah, I don't want to say a whole bunch about it because I don't really know what's going on, but I do love the story and I do love writing it. Hopefully by this time next week, I have the rest of the book drafted, and a very, very rough phase, and then I can start doing a revision of the first chapter, because I do love the story. I don't know, I know where it's going, but I don't know what other people are going to think. But anyway, I'm enjoying that. I also bought 2 pairs of shoes this week. I am super excited about 2 pairs that I've been looking at for an extremely long time. Probably paid way more than I should have for them, but I deserve them. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Other than that, I hope you're having a great week. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I hope to see you again. Later. Peace. And please, in the comments, say hello, say what's up. Say what's up in the comments. I love interacting with you. Specifically those that I haven't seen or heard from in a while. Take care. Later. Peace.